Hello friends, I am Seema Roy coming with a new video. Welcome to my channel Seema's Education, and today's topic is phonetic sound of alphabet, and today's topic is C, alphabet C, part 3. So let's start with this topic. Phonetic sound of English alphabet, and today's topic is C. C is a consonant sound. It is a consonant. So its sound also in consonant. C has two sounds, soft sound and hard sound. Soft sound is original sound and it sounds as S, S. But hard sound, it sounds as K, it's K. When followed by E, I or Y, it sounds S. But when followed by A, O and U vowel, it sounds K. Example. When followed by E, I and Y, it sounds S. It is called soft sound. Soft sound means original sound of C, A, B, C as an alphabetical sound. Example. C-I-T-Y. C here sounds as S. That's like S. And I is sounds as E and T, and Y is sounds as E. So it is city. Not kitty, it is city because it is in soft sound. Another example, cent, C-E-N-T. C here sounds also S because here is E. When followed by E, I and Y, and here is E. So it sounds S. And E sounds as A, N sounds as N, and T sounds as T. So it is cent. Example of hard sound K. It means K. C-A-T. Here C sounds K because it is hard sound and it is followed by A. C-A-T. C sounds here K, A sounds here A, and T sounds here T because C is before A. And when it is followed as A, O and U, it sounds K. Another example, C-A-N-D-Y. Another example of hard sound. C here sounds as K, A, N, N, D, D and Y, E. So it is candy, not sandy, it is candy. Another two sounds of C. When it is C and K together, it is only sounds K. অর্থাৎ hard sound of C. Example. B-A-C-K. B-A-C-K. B sounds B, A sounds A, and C and K together sounds K. Hard sound of C. So it is bag. But when there is double C, then there are two sounds. First C sounds as K and second C sounds as S. One is hard sound and the second is soft sound. The first one is hard sound K and the second one is soft sound S. Example. Success. Here is S, U, A. First C is K but the second C is S. K and S. Hard sound and soft sound. And E is A and double S is S. So it is success. So it is success. First one is K and second one is S. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe my channel Seema's Education and press the bell icon.